So I saw a couple businesses and I pulled over and I'm just going to quickly give them a quick cold call and I'm going to pitch them an AI receptionist. So without further ado, let's give them a call. Hey, is this?
Yes, can I ask who's calling?
Yes, this is Declan. I'm wondering if you guys are open right now. It says you guys are closed on Google right now.
Yeah, we actually are open right now. We're taking private customers right now.
Awesome, man. So the real reason I'm calling is I'm essentially trying to help you with this AI receptionist that can help you book appointments in after hours because I see a lot of businesses are
I'm
closed.
sorry, we is this like a website thing? We already have a marketer and a website.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. I'm telling you, I'm going to give you a free trial. I'm going to hook you up. I'm not trying to sell anything. If you don't like it after, let's say, 10 days, we'll cancel it. No, no sweat off your back, zero risk.
What exactly is it? Can you explain it a little bit more?
Essentially, it is basically an AI receptionist that I'm going to set up. Again, zero risk. That's just going to answer the phones for you in after hours, any hours, or really whenever. Especially weekends, which is big because I know a lot of hair salons, they do not have that. And they're paying a receptionist a lot. So it'll cover that. And again, I'm telling you right now, man, it's going to be completely free.
Okay, how is it free? I don't understand how it's free.
Yeah, I'm going to give you a free trial is what I'm trying to say.
How about I give you my email and you send me over like what it is, like a demo or something. I'll check it out. I'll take it to we'll get it all situated. That'll probably be better. That's probably the best one you can send. I'll have it sent over. Jennifer does all of our marketing. She does all of our stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have her like look at it. She knows way more than me. I'm just a hairstylist.
Okay, man. Well, what email was that? May I have it, please, so I can send it over?
Yeah, it's gonna be
All right, thank you so much, and I'll send this over to you ASAP so Jennifer can take a look at it. All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, bye-bye. Damn it. All right, that one was a bit rough. I definitely should have gotten the name earlier, and we'll see. I have good follow-up, so we'll see. I'm going to give another person a call, and we're just going to move right on to the next. Because, to be honest, cold calling is a numbers game. Hey, is this...
Yeah.
Hey, are you guys open right now? I see your Google business profile is closed.
Hey, yeah, we're open. Who is this?
This is Declan, man. I'm just calling about, I got something free for you, man. I think you're really going to like it. I got nothing to sell, but it's just this AI receptionist that I can think can help your business out.
Hey, guys.
Okay. Bring up another. Yes, this is Declan. I'm wondering if you guys are open right now. What? Dude, I didn't even get a word out. Bruh. Hey, is this...
Yes.
Hey, are you guys open right now?
Yes, we are. May I ask who's calling?
Yes, this is Declan. And the reason I'm calling is I actually see that a lot of businesses are closed and a lot of businesses lose a lot of customers when they are closed on Google. And a lot of times it's just a glitch. All right, so far it hasn't been terrible. We've had some good ones. I've definitely started a little rougher. I'm a little bit slower this morning because I was doing a bunch of other stuff. But we're going to keep going, and we're just going to keep calling a couple more people. So we'll try Plumber this time. Hey, is this... hello? Can you hear me? Hey, is this... Hey, man, how you doing? Are you guys open right now?
We're open.
Awesome. So the reason I'm calling, man, I'm just going to get straight to the point, is that I see a lot of businesses online that they say open, okay, or they say closed when it's not supposed to be. And I noticed that you guys, it does say closed on your Google Business profile, but then you're telling me it's open. So you see how that's kind of a problem?
Yeah, thanks for all our emergency planning services.
Awesome, man. Well, I'm just going to cut straight to the point here, man. Who am I speaking with? Jeremy, it's good to meet you, man. I'm Declan. I'm just going to cut straight to the point. I want to offer you a free trial of this AI receptionist, okay? Again, it's going to be completely free. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to set this up for you, and you're going to try it, okay, for 10 days. And it's going to answer your calls. It's going to do all of this for you. And then from there, if you like it, you can have it. If you don't, You can cancel. Zero risk for you.
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Really, man? Why don't you want it, Jeremy? Again, it's free, man.
It sounds like a scam.
Okay. It's not a scam, man. I promise. I promise. I get your hesitation, though. It's not, though.
If not, well, you prove it to me.
Well, here's the thing. You're a funny guy, Jeremy. Here's the thing. What I'm going to do, and if you want to, I can send you a link that's going to show you a demo of this entire thing. Okay, you can go through, you can click through, you can try it. And if you like it, I can set it up for free for 10 days. And it can answer calls, help you out. You know, it can make you potentially a lot of extra revenue and missed calls. I can even show you what calls it's answering. And then from there, if you like it, we can work out a deal. If you do not, you can cancel and block me. You never have to talk to me again if that's the case, man.
I don't know, like in my credit card app to anybody.
Hey, Jeremy, I'm not asking for your credit card, man. I promise. I'm trying to give you a free trial. No credit card. All I got to do is hop on a Zoom with you, hook it up to your phone number, and we should be good, man.
You know, I have to put my credit card in and decide I can get 2 weeks for free.
You know what? I did say, Jeremy, I did say 10 days, but I can give you 2 weeks, man. I can work that out with my team to give you 2 weeks, if that makes you more comfortable.
I mean, you know, that would make me more comfortable for 2 weeks.
I love it. I love it.
I'm like, maybe if you get on that Zoom call, like, we might be more interested because then I can talk face to face.
Yes. And again, Jeremy, I am not trying to sell you anything off the bat. It's only if you use it and you like it. If you don't like it, you can cancel and you can block me.
Yeah, I guess I can do that. We can hop on that Zoom call.
I love it. Well, let's do that. Jeremy, are you free in about an hour or 2 hours?
Yeah, so I won't be free till 5 o'clock. Can you be at that?
Yeah, how does 6 o'clock work, man?
We can do 6 o'clock.
Perfect. I love to hear that, Jeremy. I really appreciate your time, man. And yeah, I'll see you at 6 o'clock. And again, I will walk you through the whole thing. And I'll even set it up for you on this call if you want. And again, 14 days free like I promised. And if I don't give you that, man, you can block me and never talk to me again.
Okay, well, I'll talk to you at 6.
All right, Jeremy, thank you so much now. I'll talk to you later. Oh, one last thing, Jeremy, I have your phone number here, and I was just going to text that. But can I also get an email? Phone number is good. It works, but sometimes I want to just be sure. Beautiful. All right, Jeremy, thank you so much, man. And yeah, I look forward to chatting with you later. And yeah, I think you're going to love this.
All right, we'll talk later.
All right, bye-bye, Jeremy. Thank you. All right, we're just going to move on to the next. And we're going to get this other one typed in. We're going to try a landscaping company. I think this is going to be interesting. Because so far I've tried plumbers, HVAC, and hair salons. But I want to try a landscaping company. Let me give this bad boys a ring. Hey, is this...
Me?
Hey, how you doing, man? Are you guys open right now?
We're on the job.
Awesome, man. Well, I'm calling because I'm seeing a lot of businesses on Google right now that are closed, okay, when they're actually open. Have you guys had this problem before? Because I see it right now on your Google business profile.
Like, we're open. We're in the middle of remodeling this front yard for a client. We're actually on the job site right now. Like, so I don't know if we exactly is in that one.
So Google says that. And who am I speaking with right now?
You're speaking with Martin.
Martin. Okay, Martin. Yeah, I'm noticing that's what it says on Google.
Well, I guess Google's wrong.
Okay, well, it can't be, Martin, it can't be, okay. Martin, it can't be wrong if you guys are open, but it says you're closed. That proves my point. Which is just, it's an easy error. I can show you how to fix it.
I don't understand. So just, I don't know, like, I'm on the job lead. I'm trying to make it legal and I can face this front yard. You got deadline to hit. from the crime, which is a pain in the extra.
Okay, man. I totally hear that. I'm just,
Time.
yeah, of course, man. So to be honest, Martin, this is something you're going to want to get fixed ASAP. This actually wasn't even the reason I was calling. This kind of got branched out into a different subject, but you're going to want to get that fixed ASAP, man. Like ASAP, because you're going to lose a lot of customers unless you have that fixed. And if you want to, I can hop on a Zoom and show you how to do it for free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. But it literally, like, that's a problem because you guys are open, but it says you're closed.
I don't have time for that.
But, okay, Martin, listen. Okay, real quick, pause. This company, okay, this landscaping company literally said closed. Okay, but they're open. So usually I just use that as an opener, but that actually proved my point. I didn't even mean to make it go down that rabbit hole, but he literally was like, no, that's not true. So obviously I think I could have handled it a little better. I was almost like a little bit like standoffish and a little more harsh with him, but like he literally denied the fact that his Google said that. So, obviously I should have been more with the customer and more nice to him, but like, man, his stuff literally said that. Like, he actually should get that fixed. I'm probably gonna have to follow up to have someone fix that because it says closed, but they're open. So that's kind of an issue. So this is cold calling, man. This is what happens when you are calling local businesses on GMB or you're seeing them around and you're just dialing them up. This is how it goes. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't, but it's a volume game, guys. Cold calling is always a volume game. If you're interested in learning more about this, getting the self-selling demo that I sent that one guy, okay, scripts for cold calling and really one-on-one help guiding you through a cold calling process, I have a 30-day free trial of a software called GoHighLevel right down below. Relax. It's free. 30 days. If you don't like it, you can cancel after. But essentially what I'm going to do here, and this is really important because I'm extending this to you, is I'm going to give you access to my entire private community, all of my coaching, all of my trainings, all of my sales scripts, everything when you sign up with that trial. And again, that's all going to be free when you use HighLevel under me because you're going to need something to sell, which is these AI receptionists, which we have built out. So super appreciate you guys watching this. If you are interested in getting help, you can either drop a comment down below and I will answer personally, or you can straight up just go right down below and click that link. And again, there's no community like mine. It is also free for 30 days and it's just right down below. So I really recommend you check that out. I'm also going to be linking a video at the end of this video. It's going to be how to set up AI receptionists inside of HighLevel. So you can see what is an AI receptionist, how they do sales and customer support on the phone, and all this other good stuff. So you can see that this is actually legit. And I'm not just saying a bunch of random shit online because this is legit. Okay. And we also have people in the group that are way better at cold calling than me. I'm not the best cold caller. I do it anyway for these videos too, to show you how it's done. Sometimes I win, sometimes I don't. As you see there, like there was a lot more fails than the ones I showed you, believe it or not. There was a lot of fails, but there's also wins. And that's the way you have to look at prospecting in general. It is literally a volume game. You're going to get a lot of no's to get to the yeses, but when you get a yes, it makes all of the no's worth it. So just remember that. You're not going to win every single one. You have to accept this. You have to accept and expect. It's just the way it goes. But I still think it's a great way to get clients for your agency, SaaS company, or really whatever service you're trying to sell, especially selling AI receptionists, because it has to do with the cold call itself, which is a bonus. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you are interested, click the link down below. If you have any questions, drop in the comments down below. I'll answer. Most importantly, watch the AI receptionist video that pops up at the end of this one. Watch the video. It's right there.